Hello, my name is Stefan Kapp. I'm working with Festo Didactic as product manager for software in factory automation. So the factory of the future is becoming more and more digital. So for example, the robots collaborate with the humans in the future more and more. Or the workflow through the factory is tracked in real time with higher level systems. Or another example, machine learning algorithms automatically help improve the quality. So here with this camera module, a machine learning algorithm was trained to detect anomalies on the workpieces. So and if I run the program, the algorithm automatically analyzes according to what was trained and identifies outliers. So when we see all these new technologies require more and more skills of the employees of the future. And here at Hannover Fair, we let you experience the digitalization of factory automation in the future for the upcoming generation of employees.